Imagine you are in a spaceship. You are traveling through space at incredible speed. Stars pass by you, galaxies shine in the distance. But suddenly something strange happens. The stars begin to disappear. Galaxies fade away. Soon, there is nothing left in the sky. No light, no stars, no galaxies, just darkness. You have entered one of the most mysterious regions in the universe, the Boötes Void, the loneliest place known to science. Before we understand how strange this place is, we need to understand the scale of the universe. Our home planet Earth may feel huge to us, but compared to space, it is incredibly small. The Sun is just one star in the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way contains about 200 billion stars. But the Milky Way is only one galaxy among trillions in the observable universe. Galaxies are not randomly scattered. Instead, they form enormous structures. Clusters of galaxies connect together like threads. Scientists call this structure the cosmic web. If we could zoom out and look at the entire universe, it would look like a giant network of glowing filaments. But between those filaments, there are enormous empty bubbles. These bubbles are called cosmic voids. In 1981, astronomers made a surprising discovery. While mapping galaxies in the constellation Boötes, they noticed something strange. There was a region of space where galaxies simply disappeared. At first, scientists thought it might be a mistake. Maybe the telescopes were wrong. Maybe the data was incomplete. But after further observations, the truth became clear. They had discovered an enormous cosmic void. It was later named the Boötes Void, and it was far larger than anyone expected. The Boötes Void is approximately 330 million light years across. To understand how big that is, think about this. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. Even at that speed, light would take 330 million years to cross this region. Thousands of galaxies could fit inside this space, yet there are only a handful of galaxies scattered inside it. This is why scientists sometimes call it the Great Nothing. Imagine you are inside this cosmic void. You look out of the window of your spaceship. Normally, the night sky in space would be filled with faint glowing galaxies, but here, the sky would look almost completely black. You might see only a few distant galaxies extremely far away. It would feel like floating in an endless ocean of darkness. No nearby stars, no glowing nebulae, just a silent, empty universe. It might be the most isolated place imaginable. So how do places like this form? To answer that question, we must go back to the beginning of the universe. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began with the Big Bang. After that event, matter started spreading across space. But matter was not perfectly evenly distributed. Some regions had slightly more matter. Gravity pulled that matter together, forming stars, galaxies, and clusters. But in other regions, matter was slowly pulled away. Over billions of years, those areas became emptier and emptier. Eventually, they formed gigantic cosmic voids, like bubbles forming in foam. Even today, cosmic voids remain one of the most mysterious parts of the universe. Scientists are still studying them to understand how galaxies evolve. Some researchers believe voids may help us understand dark matter and dark energy. Others think they might reveal clues about how the universe will evolve in the distant future, because sometimes the emptiest places in the universe, can tell us the universe is not only a place of bright stars and beautiful galaxies, it is also filled with enormous darkness, massive regions where almost nothing exists. Somewhere out there, beyond billions of stars, there are places so empty and silent that they remind us how vast the universe truly is, and perhaps how small we really are.